जनरल मोटर्स अपने वादे अपने वादे जनरल मोटर्स.
After several days of negotiations with the company to decide a compensation amount after General Motors India decided to stop sales and marketing operations in India from the 31st of December, dealers of General Motors, backed by the lobby group which is FADA, have now taken to protest at Jantar Mantar in Delhi, and we have here a lot of dealers from General Motors and representatives from FADA to speak to us about what drove them to this point, where from one point of them not wanting to be quoted, them wanting to stay behind the shadows and still complain about it, they've now come to the forefront, putting their grudges ahead as open as it gets. What has actually forced FADA and General Motors to come out and protest officially?
See, we have been trying to reach out to General Motors India. We have been having dialogue, but the attitude of General Motors India officials is inflexible, and it has been more or less a one-way communication where they say you either take it or leave it. So we are constrained to now sit in Dharna today because of the inflexible attitude of General Motors India. This decision on the part of General Motors India is shocking. It's clearly a breach of trust. All the dealers are agitated. It's not only loss to the dealers who stand to lose the investment, huge investment made by them, but also it's a loss of employment. Around 15,000 employees would be rendered jobless due to this shocking decision of General Motors India.
It seems to us that it's a planned conspiracy. Since last 3 years they were planning to close down Indian operations. Now we see, as step by step, announcing $1 billion investment, closing down Halol plant. Then our agreement, which were supposed to be, since last 14-15 years, they were 3 years in a row. Yes. They break it down to 1 year agreement. Yeah. Then slowly and gradually they're saying Spin, we are not launching. Then Tavera BS4 not launching. Then again Essentia, we are not launching. Then ultimately they told us they are exiting India. So it seems to us, and in these 3 years, the dealers whom they have gone to them, they have terminated them. They've asked them to leave so that they want to bring their compensation down. They were just bringing their closing costs down in these 3 years, nothing else. That's what we feel now looking at past.
Investment of one dealer comes out to be 7 to 10 crores. And we have almost 140 showrooms, 100 dealers. So it is more than 1,000 crores, right? And they are not giving even, 100 crores for a compensation.
We feel cheated. They have done very bad. So class action suit, we have already started working on that. Our legal team is already working on this. We are filing criminal cases here in India for the forgery and cheating they have done. They made us reinvested in this business very recently. They told us to renovate our showrooms because new models are coming. And now when we put in another shot of money, they are going back. Our accounts are in NPA, we don't know how to pay our banks, from where do we get the money? We are in mess right now.